Air Jordan 1 Reto High OG, I'm interested. New colourway, I'm interested. A little backstory, I'm interested. Yeah, you sold me. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Air Jordan 1 Reto High OG Rookie of the Year. So if you saw my previous video, if you didn't already, check that out of course. But I mentioned that I was able to cop these, luckily, on the sneakers app. My girlfriend also hit as well, and two lovely friends of mine also hit for me. So I was super duper covered. Those two have kept their pairs. I think they sold them on for retail, so salute to them. But I've got my pair, so I'm super happy to have it. So let's get to this review. So this shoe comes in your standard black and red AJ1 box. Nothing new here. Colorway wise, it is called Golden Harvest Black Sail. And I got this in a UK 10, which is what I wear in all my AJ1s. If you saw my previous videos, I did do a review for the Air Jordan 1 in the Golden Harvest colorway. So it's got a little bit of vibes from that, but the color blocking is way better. And the materials are also way better. Also, with AJ1s, as you know, they come unlaced, which is kind of annoying, but if you like to lace your own sneakers, you can do it. But I've already pre-done it, so you can have a look at what it's going to be like. But just so you know, when you do collect these, they are going to come unlaced. So if you happen to buy them off like StockX or something like that, and you're wondering why is it unlaced, that's how they do normally come. But boom, here's the sneaker in all its glory, and they totally and utterly killed it with this pair. I've seen quite a few people that said they weren't interested in this colorway at all, but after all the pictures, the detailed pictures and the on foots and all that, they're just being sold and wishing that they went for it straight away, because the quality on these, top notch. Salute to Jordan Brand for finally getting it right. But anywho, let's get some close-ups and show you all the little features of this dope kick. So as I said, the Air Jordan 1, obviously the first pair of Jordans ever made, the first pair that he was rocking. And it is super fire. Silhouette wise, it hasn't changed that much. There is a little tiny bit of changes in it, which I will get to. But first of all, let's start with the materials. Absolutely crazy. So the lateral side, the medial side, it's got this lovely buttery suede in this sort of mustardy, they call it harvest colorway, but it's sort of mustard brown. Definitely giving you autumn vibes or fall vibes if from America. Super duper fire and super premium. I got the yellow ochre colorway recently, well, earlier this year. Similar-ish material, but this is definitely by far better material than that. So if you've got those pair, believe me, they've done a way better job with this one. And also here on the lateral side, this white panel here was a sail panel. This is done in tumble leather, proper getting that shattered backboard vibe. Super duper nice and plush. You also get the black swoosh again in tumbled leather going right around the back of the shoe. More of that lovely harvest suede. Then you've got the Jordan logo here, embossed, debossed, I never remember which one it is. In black here, the old Wings logo. And the medial side, obviously, exactly the same again. Premium. On the tongue comes with your standard mesh tongue. The only little bit difference is this little tab up here. It's done in black leather with some red writing on it. It's got Nike Air. And the swoosh, that's a little bit different. The collar here is done again in premium black sort of tumbled leather. Then obviously it's got the black mesh inside here. Colorway wise, the reason why they went for this color in the first place, as I said, there is a little bit of a story to it. These are called the Rookie of the Year for a reason. But basically when he did pick up his Rookie of the Year award in his first season, he wore a shirt or suit basically, which was similar-ish color to this. It was like a sort of tanning brown sort of suit. As I said, the model was definitely like a standard Air Jordan 1. You do have these little flappy bits here. You're thinking, why is it flapping? I'm sure it doesn't normally happen on my pairs. It's because they've got some information written behind it. On the right side, it says 1984 to 85, Rookie of the Year, 2,313 points, averaging 28.2 points per game. If you look at those stats now compared to the rookies you see at the moment, those stats are absolutely insane. That is not normal. This kid started off as a freak. I don't think he was even like the first draft pick that year. I think he was like second or third. So it's crazy to think that you got Rookie of the Year and averaged such a crazy high score. And on the left side, it says, this award is nice, but I just feel like it's very important for each individual to go out and contribute to the team. From MJ, That's part of his speech. Very nice touch, and that's why the whole shoe is called the Rookie of the Year. Super fire. The midsole here, again, is done in that sort of off-white sail colorway. And the sole of the shoe is done in all black. It fits very well. They did come with a spare pair of laces, which are red laces. I did lace it up on this pair so you can see them both. I might actually rock them mismatch. Seen a few people do it and it kind of looks kind of fire. But yeah, the red laces definitely gives it that more autumn vibe for sure. Super fire. And oh yeah, the insole of the shoe. You can see it here. It's again in that Harvest colorway and it says Nike in black. Gonna chuck these on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Air Jordan 1 Reto High OG in the Rookie of the Year. And yeah, comfort wise, as you expect with all Jordan 1s, nothing to shout about. Not the most comfiest sneaker of all time, but also not the most uncomfy sneaker of all time. Definitely more comfortable than Converse, that's for sure. But yeah, they killed it with this pair. Talking to my guys, was saying about what pair do we like the most out of all that are coming out. These, I believe, actually put them as first on my list. It had the Air Jordan 1s, the Unions were coming out, the Koi's A6. It was back then, like 3 weeks ago, or a week ago or so. And these were definitely number one on the list. They ended up being the easiest to cop of the lot, but it doesn't make them any less fire. I wish all my Jordan 1s were as crispy and as buttery and as so high quality as these, but beggars can't be choosers. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you picked up a pair. If you haven't, check out all your local, like, normal places where you can pick them up. It seems like resale isn't that crazy on it, so maybe if you do want a pair, you'll be able to find them not too expensive. I'd say definitely a pair worth checking out for sure, especially while it's not going for too much at the moment. And I doubt these are going to be like being retroed anytime soon at all, so definitely want to pick up. It's going to be a future banger. Just like the shattered backboards, I think people are going to be like, you didn't get a pair of them, damn, you missed out. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, and Twitter is perfection7. I upload videos like this as I want to pick stuff up, and I upload videos every single Monday, what I try to, about sneaker topics. So check that out as well. I'm out. Later.